Saqib and I are just here for a day for our promotions for Baby Do Die Do. Normally ऐसे होता है कि पिक्चर के पहले लोग प्रमोशन करते हैं और जब रिलीज होने के बाद सब घर पे रहते हैं. So we thought we'll do things slightly differently, only because it's a very different and an unusual kind of a film. It's a very small film made with a lot of love, and we don't have too much budget to sort of promote it, or we don't have those kind of marketing spends, but this is just a film that's getting love across the country purely on the basis of word of mouth, which is why we're also over here in the city of joy, Kolkata. We just came from an early morning show from the Forum Mall, and it was about 60-70% full. People didn't know we were going to go there. We just went in, and we would just want to say thank you to these people who had woken up early Sunday to watch our movie, and it was very emotional for us. And today we're going to just spend the day here in Kolkata, talking to you guys, interacting with people, going from theatre to theatre wherever we feel like. Even 10 people are watching the movie, just to go and be like, okay, what do you think of our film? And if you like it, please spread the word. Say something?
Nothing, guys. I keep coming back to Kolkata a lot. I have some friends, some family here, but this is the first time I think we've come with a film, and together for the first time. I think this is the first trip together.
Yeah.
And to start the day off with the audiences in the theatre, we got 2 minutes delayed, and we were fearing that that people would leave. We are going to meet them. They sat through the end credits.
Yeah.
And that's what's heartwarming, to just get the kind of love from people everywhere we are going. हम दोनों भाई बहन और हमारा पूरा जो क्रू है, पूरे दिन हम बुक माई शो देखते हैं. जहाँ भी हमें लगता है कि 10 लोग भी हैं हमारी पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, हमारा मन करता है कि हम उनसे जाके मिलें. एंड आज तो 70% फुल था यार. शाम को there's a show at Quest. That's right now showing about 70% full. So all these signs just tell us that people are watching us, people are liking us, and our strategy is very simple यार. हमें अपने लोगों से मिलना है. हम ये पिक्चर बॉम्बे से नहीं प्रमोट करना चाहते थे. हम वहाँ हर जगह जाना चाहते हैं जहाँ लोग हमें देख रहे हैं. And that has brought us to Calcutta.
That's how Kolkata is.
Yes.
No, I think such a beautiful city. It's got so much going on, especially as far as all my favorite things, whether it's literature, food, or cinema.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think this is a city where it's such a cinema loving and discerning audience.
Yeah.
So to get love from Kolkata, I think means a lot to us. Especially from like regular people. And I feel like this has been really, really beautiful, and I look forward to spending the whole day over here. I don't know how many of you have seen the film. But please, I would urge you all to watch, because like I keep saying, we don't have too many marketing spends. We don't have crores and crores to spend. We have just put all our hard work, energy, passion into making this movie. And for us, the audiences are our true marketing, geniuses, strength, everything.
This is a people's film यार. Like Huma said, no marketing budget, but I feel like जनता से बड़ा marketing budget कुछ नहीं होता. If people like your film, they resonate with it, then the word of mouth survives and stays, and it'll help us grow. And we've been just hearing just such lovely things. I don't think मेरा phone पिछले 5 साल में इतना बजा है जितना पिछले हफ्ते भर में बज रहा है. So that's a good sign, I think. But fingers crossed.
And also such a well-reviewed film.
Yes.
I don't think I've, in my career, I know I've done a lot of amazing performances. Saqib is
खुद ही अपनी तारीफ.
No, but I really feel as a film, the film I don't think has ever got such reviews from such a vast
That's right.
touchwood cross-section of like reviewers and people, and I think that really is quite astounding. Like, we were quite amazed as well. It's a very, very beautiful film. I wish our director was here as well. His name is Nachiket Samant. He's made a bunch of films. He's worked with both Saqib and I on separate projects. And this is a film that, I don't know, Baby Do Die Do. So my character in the film, her name is Baby Karmarkar. So Kar Mar Kar, Do Die Do. So a lot of people make that little fumble in the beginning, but by the end of it, when they see the film, then they never forget it. And I think that's what we're going for. And I wish he was here to see this, reception.
No, but he's holding fort in Pune. So like I said, we have a small team. हमारे जितने actors हैं, सबको मैंने duty पे लगाया हुआ है. The goal is to just meet people.
Yeah.
Because
one is in Jaipur.
One is in Jaipur, one is in Banaras. We are here,
Pune,
the directors in Pune. So just because we make film for the audiences. And usually what Huma was saying कि आप picture release करते हैं और फिर आप holiday पे चले जाते हैं या घर में आराम से बैठ जाते हैं कि आपका काम हो गया है. आई फील लाइक हमारा मार्केटिंग कैंपेन थोड़ा अलग है. We may have not created a lot of noise pre-release, but post-release we want to go to every city that there is in this country. Like I said, even one person's watching it, we want to go meet that person and want to know what he thinks or she thinks about the film.
Human, I have a single question for each of you.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
My first question is to you. It's like your character is quite layered. I watched the movie. So, what is the most interesting point, according to you, about your character? And you have got brawl into a scene which full of brawl. Have you gone through some kind of I'm not getting the correct word to explain martial art choreograph or something like that? And my question is to Shakib.
बचपन से मुझे मार रही है यार. तो वो मार्शल आर्टिस्ट बचपन से. No, sorry. Say it.
Take on it.
No, absolutely. I think it's a very, very layered character. I dislike immensely the caricaturist or the unidimensional portrayal of women in cinema. I feel, women are far more complex and nuanced in lives, and we don't often have, good representations of them in popular culture. And my whole career, if you look at it, has been trying to find those makers and find those directors and to find those scripts in which I get to play living, breathing, three-dimensional women. I feel a woman cannot just be an accessory to a man's journey. She can't just be the vamp or the victim. There's so much more that we have to offer, and I'm so grateful to this entire team, mostly of boys who are also like feminists and champions in that sense, and they understand what we all are trying to do. And I feel so proud that I get to be the face of a project like this, because I feel this is just the kind of popular commercial cinema I want to be part of, I want to endorse. It's mainstream, it's fun, it's accessible. Everybody from, it's unique. Everybody from our generation to my mother's generation to my grandmother, everyone will enjoy it. However, even in popular mainstream, it does not let go of certain things the way we see the world. Or for example, the protagonist, she cannot speak or hear, and I think that's kind of interesting because women are often silenced in our cultures or are expected to be
It's
silenced.
kind of metaphor.
It's kind of like a metaphor, but again, we don't have to make a documentary about it. We can put those and instill those ideas in mainstream cinema as well. It can't just be this or that. Like, I find as an actress, like, constantly drawn to like popular culture stories which have a little bit more. She cannot speak, she cannot hear. She there's a revenge graph for those of you who have not seen the film. I don't want to spoil it for you, but she doesn't wait for somebody else to come and take revenge on her behalf.
Yeah.
Which is often the case in a lot of popular things. Ki sab kuch ho jayega, then one savior will come, because now she can't really. I see all the girls are nodding away, and it's also quirky. It's also fun. She has a gun, but hidden in a red umbrella.
Yeah.
There's a whole
Modified
sister angle, and I think these are all like just fun, pulpy things as well. Like, we had a screening in Delhi the other day, and we had Dr. Rashmi. She works with women and child welfare, and we were discussing about hosting a screening, and she said, "What is the issue in your film?" And I said, "Why should there only be an issue? As women, we are not the only torchbearers. It has to be an issue-based film. Why can't we just make a fun film?"
Why can't girls have fun and
Exactly.
kick ass and be the heroes that they rightfully deserve to be?
Yeah.
I feel like all my heroes growing up have been women, and suddenly when you see portrayal in movies,
Yeah.
they kind of not get the main part suddenly. So we don't see it like that. We thought this
Yeah.
story needed to be told. This was a story about a girl who who can't speak, but her silence is not a drawback. It's a
strength.
superpower. It's a strength that. So that's how we took it, and we had like Huma said, sure, these are the layers we have, but they are there in the film for people to see. What we intended to do was to make a fun film, a film that you watch, enjoy, go tell your friends
Yeah.
that you saw something really cool. And ये थोड़ा ना एक कॉन्सेप्ट निकालना पड़ेगा यार दोस्त, कि ये फीमेल सेंट्रिक पिक्चर है. जब किसी हीरो की पिक्चर आती है, मेल हीरो की, तो हम बोलते हैं कि मेल सेंट्रिक पिक्चर है. नहीं बोलते ना, हम बोलते हैं पिक्चर है. पिक्चर अच्छी होती है, बुरी होती है, और हमें उसको वैसे जज करना चाहिए. And I feel the endeavor was to make a fun, real, original film.
Yeah.
And I hope and I feel that's what we've created. The reviews tell us that when we meet people, that's what we've been hearing. So it's really exciting times for us here as
Yeah.
the Salim siblings.
Yes.
We have reached Kolkata,
Yes.
and now the city of joy is giving us a lot of joy.
Yeah.